Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got a sale. Is this? It's an Harley Davidson lowrider. It's got the new Milwaukee engine in there, 1745cc, super smooth, and it's fantastic, and it sounds wicked. We'll get to a few of the cheeky extra bits in a second. First thing that you can see though is the screen on this one. So 2019 on a 19 plate. They come with the analog and digital displays, and again we'll get to them in a second. Just to this side you can see all the chrome ready to be polished up. Stunning bike. Great colour scheme on this one, classic. It's got the blue and the red just going through the black tank. It is stunning. As you can see as well, we've got a Vance Hines on there. We've got a different intake filter and also the tuning box, so it is a stage 1. Cracking. As you can see, just for a passenger, it's also got the backrest. Lovely, lovely bike. Dead easy to read displays that you can get for your speedo on this one. You've got your digital underneath and then the analog on top. And then just the RPMs just underneath. It is gorgeous. Gonna get a noise factor in a few seconds. So, we'll give it a quick turn on. Let's hear it. What a fantastic sounding exhaust. That was just a few revs. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute belter. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.